I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Oh, well, hello, my art-loving friends. I am Deborah Kaye, and I welcome you to Paint with a Passion. Today, we're going to paint a Starry White Christmas ornament. This is actually super easy to paint, and it will look so pretty on your tree. You know, ornaments make a great inexpensive gift, and you can get the wood ornaments and some festive mesh drawstring pouches in bulk, and they're super cheap. And then for less than 25 cents, you can give a wonderful homemade gift full of love that's going to last a lifetime. Here's my recipe. You can pause here to gather what you need, or just refer to the list in the description area below this video. So get all your goodies together, and let's go make the magic happen as we paint with a passion. I'm painting on a primed, flat 3-inch wood ornament cutout. Let's start by painting the top 2/3 with a bright blue. Now, without cleaning off the brush and while the blue paint is still wet, dip the corner of your brush with just a tiny amount of white and wisp it in back and forth across the blue. With a clean brush, let's paint the bottom third with a very light blue. And let's do the same thing. Without cleaning the brush, add a little bit of white and brush it on randomly while the light blue is still wet. And this is going to give the illusion of a shadowy, snowy ground. I recommend you don't paint the back of the ornament until the front is all done, because there's a good chance the back's going to end up with some random paint on it during the painting process. Once the background paint is dry, let's add a circle for our moon. Now you can draw it freehand, or you could trace a coin or anything that's round. I want a big moon. Make your moon any size you want it to be. Now let's paint in the moon with some white and smooth it out with a sponge. Now let's add a little bit of light gray to a clean sponge, and then just dab it into the moon in a few spots and just do a little bit of blending, add a couple shadows. While our moon is drying, let's draw on some lines for our trees. And let's keep the snow below the moon empty so that we can add a moon reflection later on. Now, using light gray, let's paint on our trees. First, let's paint a solid line down the chalk line. And then paint thin strokes starting from the trunk going outwards. You want the limbs at the top to be short and then get progressively wider as you move down the tree. And the branches should be thicker in the center and then thinner as you get out to the tips. Using a small round brush, let's go ahead and add the moon reflection to the snow. Now, using our super skinny fine linen brushes, let's go ahead and add white highlights to the tree branches. Using a small dotting tool, let's add some red ornaments. And let's go ahead and paint the ornaments cap with a dark base. And we need to add some stars using our small dotting tool. And let's add some silver top dots to the bigger stars. These will twinkle with the tree lights. Now let's paint the ornament cap with silver. And the reason we covered the cap with black is so that the silver will really stand out. Okay, it's time to varnish. I'm just using some Duraclear and a medium flat brush. And here we have it, our very own Starry White Christmas. Thank you so much for joining me today to paint with a passion. I'm going to try to post a lot of holiday tutorials, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to painting again together real soon. I wish you peace, love, and happiness now and always.